In this tutorial video, you will learn how to draw custom geometric shapes on the map. We need to have a vector layer to draw. If not, it can be created by clicking the Create New Layer button from the Data menu. When the pen-shaped button in the upper button group in the Layer box panel is clicked, the pencil icon appears on the right of the layer. Layer box is now open for editing and drawings can be made. After making the layer editable, when we click on the Special Drawings menu in the Edit panel at the top, it offers 6 different custom drawing options. Drawing can be done on the map after selecting the special drawing method to be drawn. If the Draw Custom Polygon option is selected, the drawing process can be done by clicking the Save button after the number of sides is determined on the panel that appears. After the drawing is finished, the drawing is completed by clicking the Stop Drawing button in the upper left corner or by selecting the Finish Drawing option in the panel that opens with the right mouse click. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.